Hi guys, let me quickly show you how I fry my fish using soya spice as my marinade. In this video, I am using red fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Gently pat dry your fish or get rid of excess water from your fish. Now add your soya spice. The soya spice is what is normally used for kebabs. This has salt and other ingredients in it, so I wouldn't advise you add extra salt, but if it's not okay for you, you can always add salt or pepper or anything you want to add. So coat this and then keep in the fridge for 30 to 1 hour. You can actually do this overnight, but I wanted to eat banku, so I had to be fast. After 1 hour, you go ahead to do the frying. I saw a video trending online where parchment paper was used, so I tried it. I added in my oil and allowed it to heat up. And then I also added a little amount of flour to give that goldenness or golden brown, you understand me? Now it's time to fry. Just keep this in mind, you are not supposed to overcrowd your oil when frying either fish, meat or anything. I go ahead to add onions for flavor. This really helps. And then refry this till how you want it, golden brown or anyhow you want it. Just look at this, looking so beautiful and sweet. I went ahead and did the remaining frying, and here we have it ready for our banku. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.